Let's start our piece by making it in the slide. And here you can work with the wire of your choice. Has an equivalent needle, so here I made the sliding knot. Next, I will make 6 sticks. After the 6 streams, I introduce my needle in the first stream, and I make a slip stick here, making this circle, following work 5 chains. After making the 5 chains, I'm going to tie my needle for 2, 3 times, and I insert the needle into that circle of chains. I look for my wire. I will lace and take out 2 straps. Tie again, shot 2 more. Tie again, shot plus 2 loops. Shot the last 2. Loop 3 times. This is the double treble crochet. Introduction into space. I look for the thread and I loop and take it off. 2x2 handles until the end. Loop 3 times, inserting the needle into the circle of chains. I'll loop it and remove it 2x2 straps until it forms our point. And here inside this circle, we will have one total of 20 double treble crochet. It's the same way we are. Ready, staff? Now that we've finished all the points, I will introduce my needle into the first double treble crochet. And I will make here one slip stitch. Now guys, we are going to make 2 chains. I will tie my thread, insert the needle into the next point. I am looking for thread, loop shot 2 straps. Tie again, insert the needle into the next point. I am looking for thread, loop shot 2 straps. Now I will tie and take out all the straps at once. Loop, I come to the next point. I look for the wire. Loop shot 2 straps. I leave it on the needle. Loop, I come at the next point. I look for the wire. Loop shot 2 straps. Loop shot all at once. Again, loop at the next point. I am looking for thread, 2 handles shot. Loop at the next point. I am looking for thread, 2 strikers shot. Now bow, I throw them all at once, making double crochet 2 together. We're going to do this all around. Now I will make one slip stitch. Here at first, meeting of the 2 points. And I will finish. This is why Afghan and crochet. I will cut my wire. And I'm going to do one finish on this leftover wire. It will stay this way. Now I'm going to show you a form of unilos. Okay, so here I started my work. I got a total of 10 double treble crochet. Insert the needle here behind the piece and make a slip stitch. This way. Now I will continue, completing this first round, making 10 more double treble crochet inside of the circle. Then we go. Let's leave this first round with one slip stitch in the first double treble crochet. And let's make 2 little chains and double crochet 2 together. All around. The same way we did previously. Okay, that's just a way to make the union. You can too is sew the 2 pieces, case you prefer. Ready, staff? Finished our crochet work today, which is that reason. Crochet Afghan. With this reason, you can make dozens of crochet pieces. You can do panel holder. Okay, you can work crochet blankets,